These are your rights all the time, for the whole year and not just for that meeting. Know your rights. The rights persons with disabilities have include equality before the law, freedom of speech, respect for your privacy, the right to both marriage and family, the right to education, the right to health, and much more. We have 22 rights that we have, and they read:
The right to wear your own clothes. You should be able to pick the clothes you wear. The right to keep personal items in a private place that you can get into when you want to.
Right to meet people and take part in community activities. Right to socialize. You have the right to have visitors and to see your friends and family, girlfriends or boyfriends every day.
right to choose how and with whom you spend your free time with, alone or alone with a friend. Right to exercise and have fun.
The right to send and receive mail that is not open. The right to services that help you live, work, and play in the most normal way possible.
The right to worship as involved in religion issues. Right to training and education.
Right to vote and right to be treated with respect.
You cannot be given medication without a written order by a doctor as punishment or for staff convenience. You cannot be subjected to experimental research without your consent.
Right to see a doctor as soon as you need, and the right to receive adequate medical treatment. Your medical records is confidential.
You cannot be tied or held down or forced to be alone unless it is to protect you or someone else. Your things cannot be searched unless you have present or good reason for the search are given.
I have the right to say no. You have the right to make phone calls.
Right to make choices about where you live, whom you live with, the way you spend your time, and who you spend your time with. Right to work in the community.